building a report in Central Command in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to pick a subject and fields, compare numbers side by side, freeze and filter, and export to Excel or save. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Accounting Central Command from your dashboard. This is Central Command, your self-serve report builder. You're not stuck with fixed reports here. You pick the numbers and how they're broken down. Start by choosing a subject, what the report is about. Then pick your fields for the rows and columns, say cost of goods sold broken down by month, and the grid fills in as you build. Add another field to compare two numbers side by side, freeze rows or columns to keep your headers in view, and filter to just what you need. When it looks right, export straight to Excel or save it. It's yours to run anytime and share with your team. A real spreadsheet engine, not a fixed report library you're stuck with.